Hello, I'm Keith Ford here at Brownells, and one of the best upgrades that you can do to your new H&K SP5 or any roller locks that has the notched rear drum is change it out with this diopter-style drum sight. Now what you'll need is the H&K Rear Sight Tool, and then this is actually a bit out of a Magna-Tip set right here. This is a PH2. So what we'll do is first make sure that it is clear, chamber's clear, and then take this tool right here. We'll drop it into the notches right in here. Now then take this bit, shove it down on top of that, spin the drum up, spin your new drum on there. Now be aware that once you install a new rear drum sight, you'll need to adjust it either up or down for the point of impact. Bada boom, bada bing. Now let's go make this SP5 sing. It's easy, it's simple, and it's one of the best upgrades that you can do. Now if you've got any questions or comments, be sure and drop us a line, and while you're there, hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.